Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use the Snowflake Cortex plugin that, as the name suggests, lets you leverage your Snowflake Cortex agents and use them in your flows if you have them available. So let's dive in and create a new task template of type Snowflake Cortex. Of course, you will need a name for your task and also the workstation. Let's go to the connection. Here you need the account URL, which is the URL, of course, that identifies your account. The account identifier, that is a unique identifier associated with your account, the username, and also a private key. This is needed for the service to authenticate you, and it is not a password, so it has to be generated within your account, and it can be encrypted, so you could encrypt it with a passphrase, and in that case, of course, you would need to enter it here. In this case, mine is not encrypted, so I can go on, and here you can choose whether this task will go through your HTTPS and your server, or if you want it to go through a specific proxy that you have available. In that case, you leave this untoggled and you can insert the fields. If, like me, you don't have a proxy, you just toggle the button and everything should be fine. Let's test the connection. Okay, the test connection was successful. Let's go to the action panel. So here, the agent needs an LLM model to leverage. In our case, we'll use these. These have to be models that are supported by Snowflake Cortex, and response instructions could be needed. These are instructions that the agent will follow to answer you. And here you can ask the agent a question in natural language. To make your response more specific, you can use tools. For instance, you could use a search tool where the name is the name that will be used within the request, so it can be chosen by you. The search name has to be an existing search service in your account. And here, as you can imagine, these are the maximum results the agent can give you. The title column will be the title of the document, and the ID column can be used as the identifier of the document. And so I will put, and the filter can be used by the agent to actually filter the response. So this has to be an existing search service. Let's also add the tool of type action, of type analyst. So the analyst requires a name as the search. So this is a unique name used within the request. Is a name given by you, whereas the semantic model has to be existing in your account. So this actually tells the agent how to structure the data, and it is pretty much a modeling tool, and so the agent knows how to structure the response. Now we are all set. We have our tools, and the agent will decide which tool to use based on the request. So I will add the definition, and now I can simply submit it without an alias. And now we wait for the actual completion. Let's have it more clean. It will take a bit for the agent to respond, just because they have to fetch the data and access maybe real data that you put in it. But as you can see, the run is already finished. So this is the result of our task template. This is our definition, and this is how the agent, let's say, acted. It used the tool and it chose the search to respond to us. And these are all the results of our response. Because I put a maximum of 10 results, this is how much we got. And at the end, we also have the actual response of the agent. And the same information can be found in the output properties of the agent. So this will be the whole functioning of this plugin. I hope you like this plugin and that you will use it in the future.